Hey you guys, it's Vijaya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you my recipe for mixed vegetable curry. And let me tell you, this curry is tantalizing, it is so delicious, and it comes together really easily. I'm so happy to share that this video is in partnership with Finish. Finish has an amazing campaign right now encouraging Canadians to skip the rinse before they put their dishes in the dishwasher. And believe it or not, 75 liters of water is wasted per load of dishes when you choose to rinse beforehand. And the simple act of skipping the rinse makes a huge impact. In fact, at the end of this video, we are going to skip the rinse, load my dishwasher with all our dirty dishes, and you'll see how beautifully, sparkly clean they come out using Finish Quantum Ultimate. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're loving the videos. And of course, if you're looking for the full recipe, all you have to do is click the info box under this video and everything you need is there. Let's make some mixed vegetable curry. So we're gonna get started by rinsing our vegetables, and because this is a mixed vegetable curry, I have a bevy of vegetables in front of me, some carrots, potatoes, tomatoes, an eggplant, radishes, and green beans. And instead of rinsing my vegetables under the tap, I'm actually gonna rinse them in a bowl of water because that helps waste less water. I'm now gonna cut all the vegetables to get them prepped for the curry. My vegetables are all chopped up and I've separated them into two different bowls because we're going to be adding them into the curry at two different times because they have two different cook times. So in this bowl I have my eggplant and green beans, and in this bowl I have my potatoes, carrots, and radishes. And now we're going to work on our tomato spice paste, and that's going to serve as the base of flavor for the curry. I have some beautiful spices in front of me, a stick of cinnamon, floral green cardamom, as well as cloves. And for the vegetables, I have some onions, garlic, as well as ginger. Now I'm gonna add my tomatoes into my mixer, add in all my aromatics, and whiz it up until it's nice and smooth. I'm gonna heat a large pan on medium-high heat and add in some ghee and oil. Once hot, I'm gonna pour in my tomato puree and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes until it's thickened and the oil and ghee begin to surface along the edges of the tomatoes. Now I'm gonna add in some ground coriander powder, cayenne chili, and turmeric and cook the spices in the tomato paste for 15 to 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna pour in my water and increase the heat to high. I'm gonna season with salt and pour in my potatoes, carrots, and radishes. We're gonna cook them for about 10 minutes until they're partially tender, and then I'm gonna add in my eggplant and green beans and allow it to cook for an additional 10 minutes. Once my vegetables are nice and tender, I'm gonna stir in some frozen green peas and allow them to warm through for a couple of minutes. Now off the heat, I'm gonna garnish with some fresh chopped coriander, and just like that, our mixed vegetable curry is done. I love this curry because it is so hearty. The mix of vegetables bring a whole bunch of different textures to the table. The potato is fluffy, the eggplant is nice and silky, and the curry is mellow and just beautiful with all those great spices. Now I'm gonna finish up here and let's get cleaning. Cleanup is a breeze with Finish Quantum Ultimate, and skipping the pre-rinse is not only good for the environment and water conservation, but it saves a ton of time. Making this curry was super easy, but cleanup was even easier with Finish Quantum Ultimate. Look at this plate. It is absolutely spot clean, ready for my next curry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give me a big ol' thumbs up. You know how that makes me feel. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe for more videos. And as always, if you have a question, comment, concern, or request, leave it in the comments box down below. Until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye.